Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to create a business manager in Facebook. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So the first thing you have to do is open your Chrome browser or Mozilla or whatever browser you have and go to business.facebook.com. So once you click on this page, this is where you're going to land right here. So let's get started with business tools from Meta. So what you need to do since you're new is come to this place right here, create an account. So it's gonna ask you to log in your Facebook to create an account. So we're gonna log in on Facebook here. Alright, so we're gonna click on create an account. Since you've logged in your Facebook, you're going to come back here and create an account. Put the name of the business that you want to create. So let's say we want to create a dog collar. That's the name of the business. So your name and your business email. So you're going to put in your business email. Then you submit. Confirm your email address. So your business account has been created, dog collar was created, so they sent an email to your address. So you're gonna check the email and then come back to this page. Here we are, dog collar business portfolio. We have the pages, the add account. So if you want to add a page, if you want to add an add account, that is the simplest and easiest way to create a business account. And if you gain knowledge from this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below if there's anything you didn't get, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.